Okay, so this tutorial is just about the installation of the QGIS software. So once you are done downloading the materials I sent to the page, I'm assuming that you automatically have it in your downloads. So you just create a shape file, you just create a folder, then you just copy it into that folder. So I've created my folder under Drive D, QGIS tutorials, then that is it, materials. So under materials, I have data, then I have software. So what I will do is I'll just go to the software, right click on it. If you have WinRAR, like how I have my WinRAR, you just right click on it, then just go to WinRAR, extract to software. So it will automatically create additional folder for you. But then assuming you don't have the WinRAR on your PC, just right click on it. Then from the options, just select extract for you to automatically extract for you. Then you are good to go. But since I have the WinRAR, I'll just select WinRAR. Then I'll click on what? Extract to software. So since I have my software folder now, I'll just go into it. Double click again. I have my QGIS software. I'll just double click on it. Then automatically see Windows installer. So what this is doing is it's just trying to install the QGIS software. So now that I have mine, I just click on next. Then I'll accept the terms and license. Next. If you don't want the location of your installation, you just click on change, then you change it to any other location that you want. But I prefer mine to be that way. Click on next, install. The installation will take time depending on what the speed of your laptop. So you see, because my speed is a little bit good, automatically I have. If you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, I just click on yes. So you see that it's computing the space requirement as in the space that is going to take. It's validating to what to install. So when you get to this stage, I expect you to just relax from your PC. If you have a good PC, you get this stage very fast, then you'll be done. But then if your PC, the speed of your PC is not that, together with your RAM, it's going to take time. So you just have to relax for your PC to do it well. You are good to go. So it's loading, validating, whatever it is. Done with the validating. Then now you see something like updating of component registration. Just relax for your PC to do it well. Then you'll be good to go. There is no need for you to be pressuring your PC. Yeah, so once it's done, just click on finish and you go back to your desktop. So that is it, QGIS 3.49. Just double click on it. We have several options here. And if you're making use of QGIS desktop 3.4.9, double click on it and should go. So that's it. But then the setup has to run to start by then. We'll update the various plugins. Then once it's done updating, all you get is what QGIS is ready. Then absolutely. So assuming you've used your QGIS for any analysis, just like how I've used mine, you see that automatically you have some project there. But then if you haven't used, then you don't have to worry, You just have an empty working environment. It's like a QGIS used. But then I've used mine for a project. That's why I say